Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix U0402 invalid data from TCM. If you're getting U0402, it's because the TCM is not receiving proper data, or it is not receiving data at all, or it is receiving data it cannot trust. How does the data go corrupted or go missing? Well, the first most common problem is you might have a bad TCM. Inside the TCM, there's going to be a circuit board. And if you look at the circuit board, there's going to be a lot of solder joint. Over time, the solder joint can become fractured, it can start to crack, and it can cause the circuit board and its little parts such as the resistors or capacitor to not make proper connection, and it can cause all sorts of issue. The next common problem is there's going to be a connection issue. If you look at the TCM and you look at the connector, there are a lot of pins on it. Over time, these pins can become corroded, or the connection going to the TCM can become loose due to vibration. The next common problem is there's going to be a break in communication between various modules. For example, the TCM works together with the ECM, and it's going to work with various module and sensor. And this arrow over here, that is going to be the CAN bus, which is the communication wire. For example, it is going to be this part over here, and it is going to be a lot of wires bundled together. So that is going to be the communication wire. And if there's a break somewhere in the communication or in the wire somewhere, you're going to get U0402 code. That's why it is important to check all wires connecting the TCM and ECM and various module. And you also want to check all connectors on the TCM, ECM, and various module, and so on. One thing I recommend is buying a scan tool with bi-directional test. You can actually use the scan tool to command the TCM to tell it what to do. For example, you can tell the TCM to tell it to shift through each gear. And if it cannot follow the command, that's how you know there's going to be a communication issue. What symptoms should you expect when you're getting U0402? Some of the common symptoms are you're going to notice the transmission light is going to turn on, you're going to get some sort of transmission code, you're going to notice the transmission is shifting erratically, and you're going to notice the lathe shifting as well. And of course, when the TCM is bad, the vehicle can actually end up in limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that's going to prevent the vehicle going faster than 35 miles per hour, and it'll be stuck in second gear. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.